But does that mean that China's tech sector is back on some kind of really exponential trajectory?
I wouldn't say exponential. I think they've had a shot across the bow where Beijing has reminded them where the real power lies in terms of the relationship to data, to collecting consumer data and things like that. So I think Beijing has proven that they're the ones in charge of those types of things. I think going forward, the whole tech sector is going to be a little bit more cautious about the rate and type of expansion. I mean, look at Jack Ma. He's been fighting this situation for years now on various fronts, and he's been a little battered and bruised.
What do you think is going to happen with the Chinese yuan, David? We were speaking earlier with our oil guest who said that he believes that we're going to continue to see China try to sort of diversify its reserves and reduce its dependence on the US dollar to just sort of mitigate some geopolitical risk. What do you think on that front for the currency?
Oh, I think they absolutely will continue to diversify away from the dollar. I think that they've realized over the last 10 or 12 years that they have too many eggs in the U.S. basket, both in terms of markets and in currency and reserves and so on and so forth. So I think you'll have them not selling off dollars, but choosing to acquire other currencies and other assets around the world to hold their reserves in. I think that's a very much a long-term play for Beijing.
And so what do you think the currency, the yuan, is going to end up at the end of the year? The spot rate is currently at 6.77.
Yeah, we don't do as much on the currency front. We're more just a straight equity shop. But I think that China is going to be very careful to defend the value of its currency and they don't like the volatility that came with the offshore yuan 8 or 9 years ago. And I think they're going to keep it on a pretty short leash. But I won't prognosticate about where it might end up 2023. That's a dangerous game.